Hello guys, in this video we will learn how to fix parse error in Android. This error is occurred when we download and install any application from Google or any other web browser. When we install the application and want to open, we face this type of problem. So there are some reasons that we face this type of problem, but after watching the video you will be able to learn and fix this problem. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your mobile phone and scroll down and tap on system option below. After that, tap on about phone option. When you tap on about phone option, then you see Android version option here, so simply tap on this. So I have seen my Android version, so you should keep remember the Android version of your phone. So my Android version is 8.1.0. So after that, when you want to download any application, type this type of search term. Let's suppose I am downloading KineMaster, so I am typing download KineMaster 8.1.0 and then search it. You can see Android versions of KineMaster for my phone. It is compatible with my phone. So when we download any kind of application that are not compatible with our phone, so this type of error occur. So the second solution is Google Play Store or any other Play Store like Huawei Store and Beetle Search Store. With Google Play Store you can download the apps which are compatible with your phone. Let's suppose I am searching for KineMaster. So I can see KineMaster application here, and this app version is compatible with my phone. So hope you will like this video. Please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks, goodbye.